Leo, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Overall energy, we do have the Nine of Wands here. So what I'm getting here is that right now, overall, there is someone here who's very, very guarded. Okay, someone here who's very careful. I feel like this is a situation, this is a person that you've been dealing with for a very, very long time, okay? Which is why there's a lot of paranoia. You've tried to work this out with this person over and over and over again, but things just seem to be not getting anywhere. And I feel now you're at the end. You almost are ready to give it up, okay? You're very, very close to ending the cycle with this person or just laying down the burdens, is what I'm getting, but you're still holding on. Okay. Now in the past year, we do have the star here. So I feel that there could have been either a reconciliation, or then I do feel that there are chances that there was a tower moment in your life, okay, with this person out here in this connection. So there was a huge shake-up, like a life-altering event that happened. Maybe there was some kind of revelation. Maybe there was some kind of secret that came out, okay, or the connection was built on faulty ground, and finally you didn't see the red flags, you kept ignoring the red flags, and finally it was all out, okay, everything was crumbling. So yeah, there was a breakup in the past year, and I feel you tried to heal from this breakup, or you have already healed, okay, or you're reaching to a point where you're kind of moving into healing here. In the current situation, what is influencing this? So I do feel here that right now there is a lot of sleepless nights. One person out here is going through a lot of sleepless nights, okay, and the same person out here is very guarded. I feel there's someone here who probably wants commitment here or sees you as marriage material, okay, but the problem here is this person is very guarded. This person here has a lot of remorse, a lot of regret about whatever happened in the past out here. They cannot believe they fucking let you go, or they fucked up, they screwed up. Because what is influencing this is the death here, which means that something came to an end here, okay? One of you could be resisting an ending out here. Could be them, could be you, okay? Could be both of y'all. But one person out here or both of y'all were resisting an ending to something that was probably like just dragging a dead horse. So the relationship was almost over because there was nothing new. Maybe your relationship wasn't progressing further, or maybe in order for it to progress further, there was a lot of compromises that one had to make, or someone had to push themselves out of their comfort zone and completely change the way they think about the relationship. And in order for you guys to evolve as a couple or evolve this relationship, I feel there were a lot of changes that were needed, and one person out here was refusing to make that change. Hence, you just had to end it, okay? Or both of y'all ended here, but I feel you ended it, okay? And now this person is like in severe stress. Could be them also who ended it and walked away. But whatever this is, right? The death card is, yes, it's kind of scary, but the beautiful part about it is that this changes you in a way which makes you a better version of you. So what happens here is that this ending is a blessing in disguise for you also and for them also. It's like almost like, I'll give you an example here for that here. I know you guys know, but this is a very beautiful example. There was a client who came to me and I was doing a reading for her, and for her health, right? And the death card came in. So I was like, there are some major changes that you're making in your life in order to make a better version of you, and working on your health. What is it? So she said that she was stopping carbs, or she was just, trying to have like, or take up like, something where she would just never touch carbs, or she would just never touch soda or something like that. So it's like something that makes you a better version of yourself, but she's been a carbs lover. We all love carbs, right? So it's a very, very difficult transition for her. But eventually she does it, and it's going to help her a lot. So that's the kind of transition. So I feel this could be you who probably ended it, okay, because you realize that you were dragging a dead horse, or you were resisting an ending to a relationship that was almost over and done with, okay? So either that relationship had to evolve and you guys could come off as a better couple, or it completely had to end because there was nothing more new to it and you had to move on here. On your mind, with the Page of Pentacles here, I do feel that you are removing your investments from this connection and probably choosing to invest somewhere else. This could be a new hobby. This could be trying to learn about someone new. This could just be you trying to pursue something, okay, that you're passionate about, or this is just you investing somewhere else. I don't feel that you are investing into this person anymore here. Okay, because in your heart space, the situation is the Eight of Pentacles here. So I think you are very focused on your work, your career, your goals, working on yourself, trying to put in work on an individual level to try and focus on yourself, okay, just making it better. I'm just still gonna clarify, just one second. What's the Page of Pentacles? It could also be this person on your mind where you're choosing to wait for this person to reach out to you. What's the Page of Pentacles with an apology? What's the Page of Pentacles? What's the Page of Pentacles? This could be this person on your mind who wants to take the next steps of the relationship. What's the Page of Pentacles? Yeah, you have this person on your mind, okay? Although there has been a loss out here, you are still kind of waiting for this. Okay, now I'm really getting that you are investing somewhere else, Leo. I do feel here that there are chances that you're investing somewhere else. There are chances you could be investing into a new person that you could have met through study or through work, is what I'm getting. If that's not the scenario here, you could definitely be investing into someone else that you met through some kind of tour, work, or something like that, but you're trying to know someone else, okay? I don't think you're trying to wait for this person here, because on your mind is trying to work on another connection. It's a small initial start out here, which is why I feel you're focused on someone new here. What's the Eight of Pentacles here? Yeah, see, this person out here probably wants to work on this connection now after things ended badly between you both. So the situation is that there is someone here who now wants to put in all the effort. They now want to put in all the work here. They're now ready to fix the situation between you and them, is what I'm getting here. Okay, so it just had to be like that, right? Things just have to end badly for one person here to realize that, okay, you know what, I should have put in the effort. So now this person here is very focused on you, okay, and they're trying to focus on every detail that they can here, but they are definitely wanting to put in work on an individual level here, because something came to an end here, okay? This is why I said that there's someone here who has a lot of realization. Someone has sleepless nights out here over an ending out here. In the future here, we do have the World here. Now this World is telling me that there is something that comes to a completion, something that comes to a closure here, where you are ending a toxic cycle in your life and you're moving towards a new cycle here. We'll clarify. Give me 3 cards for the World here. Give me 3 cards for the World. What's the World here? Let's see if you're ending it for good with this person, or are you starting a new chapter with them. Okay. 2 more cards for the World. Okay, got it. I do feel you will have a lot of clarity in the future. You will have a lot of clarity, Leo. You could be ending a cycle with someone that you have a lot of love for, Leo, but for some reason you just feel it's better to hold back your emotions, and it's better for you to just not express how you feel, because your love has reached a point of a lot of maturity here, okay? So I feel that you're choosing to end it with someone here, okay, and close a chapter, probably for now, because although the love is there, right, you just feel that this person here is not responsible enough, okay, or not good enough to handle you or handle this connection here. So you're choosing to end it, okay, because again, fed up, tired, you're pretty exhausted here, and you kind of feel that, you know what, this is a situation getting nowhere. I feel you're very careful. You're very careful with this person here. Your guards are up. So yeah, I do see you closing the cycle in the future here, because like I said before, right, the World is also where you've learned your lessons. There's nothing more to learn, and the only thing you can do is go to the next level, okay? So probably this person is not someone that you would want to take with you in the next level here, or maybe if this person chooses to man up, woman up, whoever this is, right, they can choose to be in the next chapter with you here. But for right now, I do feel that you're closing the chapter very soon and investing somewhere else. I don't know. I just feel you're investing somewhere else. Yes, you're trying to know someone else. You're just leaving this person behind here. And whilst you're leaving them behind here, now they want to fix the situation with you. Okay, but yes, things have ended here, and I think you're kind of sure from your side to end it with this person. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I have for you, Leo. Hope this reading resonates, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.